Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor out to mid-lake until 9:15 p.m. At 8:07 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 9 nautical miles northwest of Wilmette Harbor, moving northeast at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Waukegan Harbor. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The current time is 8:09.